Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change images inside a mockup. I will show you how to change these images inside these mockups right here. The first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. So we grab the first mockup. Here it is. We unlock the layer, then we add the image we will be add to the mockup. Now we drag this image to the mockup page. I adjust the size of the image. As you see, it's big. Now I click on the edge of the image, any edge. I click like this and I select distort. Then I start adjusting the image like this so that it fits the laptop. I adjust the edges of the image to fit inside the laptop. I click on the edge, then I drag. Then I click here. And here we are, the image is replaced. Now we move to work on the second mockup. Now I add the image and it needs to be vertical so that it fits in here. I will include all the images and mockups I use with the course, of course. Now I unlock the layer and I drag the image to the mockup page. And as you see, the image is huge. I need to adjust its size. Then I put it right here. So I use the same way to adjust the image. I click on the edge, then right click and I select distort, then I adjust the image. From all of the edges. Then I click here and here we are, the image is ready. You can see the difference. Now we move on for the third mockup. File, open, and we grab the image. Again, we grab the other image. I will choose this one. I'm gonna use this tool to hide this part of the image, like this. Now I unlock its layer, then I drag it to the design page, and as usual, I adjust its size. And I put the image in here, and I adjust it to fit inside the panel. And the image is almost ready. We didn't use the same steps as the last two images because the image fits perfectly and we only need to make a small change. We used the pin tool to make this side of the image fits like this. right click on the layer, then I select create clipping mask to make the image fit inside the panel box, and I reduce the opacity like this so that it looks like a single image. And here we are. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.